Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can activate your assistive button, since some people be having the issue of their phone having a hardware issue. Since sometimes the screen be not responding properly, or their phone is having the issue of not responding properly, so this assistive button is gonna support you in everything. So in today's video I will be showing you how all that is done, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. So let's start by opening settings. And now that is open, you can see even more tools to work with, so simply slide down and then open accessibility. And then click on it. And now that it's open, you can see even more tools to work with, so now that it's open, you can see so many more accessibility settings to work with, so simply come and then click on touch. And so now that it's open, you can see even more tools to work with. And so to activate Assistive Touch, simply come and then click on Assistive Touch. And now as you can see it's open, so we have so many tools to work with. So this is where you going to activate your Assistive Touch. So simply come and click on Assistive Touch and simply turn this button on. And now as you can the Assistive Touch has been activated. And if you click on it you can see all the tools that come with. So from now on you will be using your Assistive Touch every way you wish. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.